Hi, I'm Carly, and welcome back to MHN Season 6. And this is school announcements, where I'm going to be giving you all the latest news on MHS and fill you in on what you've been missing during the daily announcements every week. Please wish your friends who are of Islamic faith a Ramadan Mubarak, which means have a blessed Ramadan, as the holy month begins on Tuesday, April 12th. Ramadan is a month of reflection, charity, and prayers. Many Islamic people fast, eating and drinking nothing between sunrise and sunset. Prom tickets are on sale for $65 each. They are being sold during mass breaks, after school from 2:10 to 3 o'clock, and before lunch. Dues must be paid to buy a prom ticket. See Miss McAvoz or Miss Lerner to buy them. There will be a Saga Club meeting April 28th at 2:15. Please let Miss Adams know if you'd like the link to attend. MHS will be celebrating Foreign Language Week as soon as we return from April vacation. Students should be ready to hear, speak, and experience other languages and cultures. Thanks for watching.
Hello, Mr. Trudeau. Thank you for joining me today.
My pleasure.
International Week is coming up, and I wanted to ask you a few questions about French and how you got involved with it.
Well, as you just saw, my last name is French, actually, and that's really where it started everything for me, because I was really curious about my own heritage. So I started studying it in middle school and loved it, and then I just continued with it all the way through college.
Do you remember when exactly you decided to become a French and Spanish teacher?
For a long time, I didn't want to be a teacher, actually, believe it or not. But I realized after a while that I kept thinking about it. And then an opportunity came up, and I said, all right, I'll try it. And then I said, yeah, this is what I should be doing.
Okay, so now we're going to bring up Foreign Language Week, which is coming up. What events are planned for Foreign Language Week for you?
So, for me, and I think this is for most foreign language classes, is we're going to be doing a poster contest. That'll be in class. And also movies in foreign languages in class. And then, the one thing that's a little different this year is we're going to be doing international dinners and meal preparation at home. Basically, every student who wants to select a cuisine from a certain country and then prepare that meal at home, take a little video of them preparing it, eating it, serving it, etc. And it'll be interesting. I think it'll be good.
And finally, what are you most excited for Foreign Language Week?
Most excited for? Well, I'm excited that it's happening, actually, because last year we had to cancel the whole thing. We can now kind of gradually get back to things that we really enjoy doing in a certain way. So I'm most happy about that.
I completely agree with you.
So the dates are Monday, April 26th through Friday, April 30th. That's the week. The theme this year, and this will be the theme of the poster contest, will be open your mind to language. We have movies going on in class. We have the international meals that people prepare on their own at home. And then there may be other events according to classes and what other teachers decide to do. So there could be other interesting things as well. So
Got it.
Looking forward to it.
Hi everyone, I'm Connor, and this week on Boston Sports, me and Ryan are going to be comparing the picks we made for March Madness to the actual brackets. In my Final Four, I had Gonzaga versus Florida State and Ohio State versus Illinois. I chose Illinois and Gonzaga to move on, and I picked Illinois to win it all. Unfortunately for me, Ohio State lost in the first round, Illinois lost in the second round, and Florida State lost in the Sweet 16 to 1-seeded Michigan. The Final Four tipped off on Saturday, April 3rd, with 2-seeded Houston taking on 1-seeded Baylor. Baylor would go on to win 78-59, led by junior guard Jared Butler with 17 points. To cap off the Final Four, overall number 1 seed Gonzaga took on 11-seeded UCLA with a game that went into overtime and was decided by a 3-point shot by Jalen Suggs to win the game.
Juzang, again with the ball in his hands, in the paint, floater, short, got it back, ties it with 3. Gonzaga has time to do something. Suggs for the win. Oh, yes! Unbelievable!
Gonzaga and Baylor met in the championship, and Baylor took down Gonzaga 86-70. Baylor started off hot and led for the entire game.
In the first round of March Madness, out of 32 matchups, I had only 22 correct, missing 10 matchups, which is not too good. In the round of 32, out of the 16 matchups, only 50% of my picks were correct. Similar situation in the Sweet 16, only 4 of 8 of my picks were correct. In the Elite 8, I had only 2 picks left that were right, Baylor and Gonzaga. As they advanced through the Final Four and into the championship, I ended up in the 80th percentile out of all 15 million brackets made, and second in my group, missing out on $100 because of the loss of Gonzaga to Baylor in the championship game, and my bracket finished with 940 points.
Hi, and welcome back to Tasty Time.
Since last time we did a fake April Fool's taste test, this time we're gonna do a real one.
We will be trying Jelly Belly jelly beans and trying to figure out what flavor they are.
After we figure out what flavor they are, we are going to combine different jelly beans to make jelly bean recipes. For example, blueberry and buttered popcorn make blueberry muffin.
So I'm going to close my eyes, show Caroline the jelly bean I'm going to try, and then try to guess what flavor it is.
Let me see it. Okay.
I'm not sure. Is it like vanilla or something? Or like cream?
Yeah, it's A&W cream soda. Woo!
It actually does taste a lot like cream soda. It's good.
You see it?
Yep.
Okay. It's like lemon or lime.
Lemon lime, yep.
Ah!
Okay, we're each gonna try to guess one more flavor.
Okay.
Ew, I don't like this. Is this coffee or something?
Yeah, it's cappuccino.
I don't like coffee. Okay.
Is that bubblegum?
Yeah.
Woo!
All right, we are 4 for 4 right now. Now we're gonna try the recipes. Jelly Belly online, they have different combinations, which they call recipes. So we're gonna try them and see if they actually taste like what they're supposed to taste like. All right, me and Caroline are gonna try the recipe root beer float, which is a root beer jelly bean and a French vanilla jelly bean.
That's pretty good.
I like that. That's good. I think the root beer is very, very accurate.
Yes, definitely.
It tastes like exactly like root beer.
I'd say the root beer overpowers the French vanilla a little bit. So if you're
Definitely.
gonna try it, I would recommend doing 2 French vanilla jelly beans for every 1 root beer jelly bean.
But overall, 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10 too. All right, our last recipe that we're gonna try today is lemon meringue pie, which is coconut and lemon sun-kissed. Ooh, I don't like that.
It doesn't taste like a lemon meringue pie would taste.
No.
The coconut's very overpowering.
Those just don't mix well together. I think it's like the artificial flavoring of it. I'm not a fan of that at all. The lemon was way too sour. I'd rate that like a 3.5 out of 10.
I personally like lemon and coconut by themselves, but together it wasn't my favorite. I'm gonna do 5 out of 10.
That was so much fun guessing and trying these tasty treats.
Make sure to tune in next week for more tasty treats.
Bye!
Welcome back to Life Hacks. I am your host, Henry Bourgeois, and this week we're going to be showing you how amazing bread clips are.
Bread clips, but what can you possibly do with bread clips?
Well, Sam, you'd be surprised. Let's get into it.
If you have a lot of cords and you need to label something, bread clips are an awesome way to do it.
They also help to scrape gunk off of dirty surfaces. As you can see, I have quite a dirty surface right here, but thankfully I have my bread clip. Boom, good as new.
They also help you find out where your tape ends so you can easily find it where to pull from.
Lastly, bread clips make a great bookmark. As you can see, I got my book here and my bread clip. Look at that. What can't they do, honestly? Wow, Sam. Aren't bread clips just fantastic?
They sure are, Henry.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Life Hacks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Photo of the Week. I'm Molly.
And I'm Jenny. This week we're going to be going back in time and looking at your favorite throwback photos.
We have some great photos that I can't wait to show you.
The first photo we have is submitted by Natalie Hayes. It is a picture of her and her brother busting a move in the mud. Looks like a fun throwback.
The next photo we have was sent in by Jack Den. Jack sent in this fun photo of him and his brother Steven in some fun swimming outfits. They look stylin'.
The next picture we have is sent by Olivia Backos, and it is buzzin'. It is a picture of her mom dressed as a queen bee and Olivia dressed as a cute little bee. I love this picture. It's so cute.
Our next throwback was sent in by Caroline Gallo. If you look closely, you'll see some familiar faces from MHN. I love all of the American Girl dolls in the matching outfits. Super cute.
The next picture we have is sent by Mr. Schultz, and it's a picture of his granddaughter being so daring. She has a whole snake wrapped around her neck. I could never do this.
The next photo we have is from Carolyn Norris. This picture is so funny to me. It's Carolyn as a little baby, looking at a flip phone. This is a good one.
The last photo we have is sent in by Mr. Trudeau, and this picture is so fun. I bet you can't spot Mr. Trudeau, but let me give you a hint. He's the one with blue hair.
Okay, staff members, now we need your help. With prom officially coming up, we'd love to see some of your old prom photos for the next episode of Photo of the Week.
Make sure to send in your submissions by Sunday, April 25th.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Now, back to the studio!